Hi everyone. So now we have Kenwood KRC-352D from 1990s, and by the customer request we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, let's go forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch the band mode from FM to AM or middle waves, doesn't matter. So just press band button a couple times. Now in middle waves, Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go on your cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is. Simply press it. The Bluetooth is connected right now. You can go to any music you have on your phone and simply play it. Very easy. Try another song. It's really simple to use. When you want to back to your normal radio, simply press the band button once or a couple times again until you're back to FM mode. That's it. Now we're back to radio. Okay guys, thumbs up.